Okay, the next format is what? Balance sheet, that is statement of assets and liabilities. The first one will come and what? Liability side. So this is all liability side. Clear? So under liabilities what will come? Shareholders fund, under that share capital, reserves and surplus. That is what? Note 1 and 2. Non-current liability is what? Okay, long term borrowings. Non-current liabilities means long term, okay, which is not current, that will become non-current. And the next one is what? Other long term liabilities, long term provisions. The third one is what? Current liabilities, that is short term borrowings, trade payables. Under trade payables what all will come? Bills payable, creditors, all will be coming under what now? Trade payables. Other current liabilities, and then what now? Short term provisions. So this is what your liability side. Under long term borrowings, debentures will come. Please make sure that you will understand this. Okay, the next one, assets. Under the assets, the first one is non-current assets, means what? Fixed assets, long term assets. Fixed assets, under that tangible assets. Tangible assets are your tangible assets are what? Furnitures, machinery, goes on, okay, etc. Intangible means which we cannot see, feel and touch, but it is an asset. Goodwill, patents, copyrights, etc. Non-current investment, which are long-term investment, will be coming under what? Assets. Then comes long-term loans and advances. Okay, long-term loans and advances given by the company, means what? They will receive it and then it will be an asset. Okay, current assets means short-term assets. Current investment, inventories means stock. Trade receivables means bills receivable, debtors, okay, etc. The third item is what? The third one, there is no other option. The next one is what? Cash and cash equivalent is cash, short-term loans and advances, and then other current assets. So this is what your asset side, okay, and this is what your liability side. Students, please go through this format. We will be solving 5 marks, okay, problem, 15 marks problem on all the methods, which is very important. Okay, thank you.